Now we are switching to the next exercise, that is exercise 14C, line graph. Line graph is a type of chart which displays information as a series of data points connected by straight line segment. In this one, the data is mentioned through the points and the points are connected by the straight line segment. Line graphs compare two variables. Each variable is plotted along one axis. A line graph has a vertical axis and a horizontal axis. I am going to explain you how to draw the line graph, although it is not given in the book, but you should know how to do it. Okay. So I am taking the question here. The table below shows daily temperature for a city recorded for 5 days in a degree Fahrenheit. Draw a line graph to represent the given data. The table is given here: day, Monday 48 degrees Fahrenheit, Tuesday 56, Wednesday 60, Thursday 65 and Friday 58 degrees centigrade. So now I am going to explain you how to draw. First we have to write the title. As I told you, we have to write the title in everything. Either it is pictograph, circle graph or bar graph. This is a line graph. So I am writing the title here: daily temperature for a city. Okay. Now in this one also we have to make a scale here. So first I will plot the axis. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. And this one is x-axis. Horizontal axis is called x-axis and vertical axis is called y-axis. Now the second point, what we have to do, we have to label it. So this side I will label the days. I am writing here days. First I am leaving first block and then second block I am mentioning here Monday. Then leave 2 and mention Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Now this side I have drawn the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. I left the gap of one line. Okay, you can see the gap are equal here. Now this side I have to plot the temperature. So we will begin from 0. Now we will see the temperature. It is given from 48, 56, 60, 65, 58. So as I explained you earlier also, the small blocks represent the 1. Now the temperatures are varying in the 48, 56, 60, 65 like this. So I will plot the one block is equal to 10 degree. Okay. So make the scale here. Scale is 1 square is equal to 10 degree. Okay. So as I told you, the 10 square is equal to 10 degree. It means the small square is of 1 degree. Clear? So why I am explained the I shown you the large one when I enlarged this block and shown you that each part is divided into 10. Now we are moving to the, this is first 10 degree Fahrenheit, then 20. So I have marked the temperature here: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Now on Monday the temperature is 48 degrees. So this one is 40. Okay, we will see this one. This is 40. Now 8 means the small 8 dot we have to count down. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I will put the dot here, small dot. Always use the sharp pencil. Okay, and then circle it. Now Tuesday the temperature is 56 degrees, so I will move to the 50. This is 51 on Tuesday, and then we count down the squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one is 6. Clear? So this dot is of 6. Circle this dot. Wednesday it is 60 degrees, so Wednesday you reach to 60 degree. This is the 61. Make a dot, make a circle. Thursday it is 65 degree, so 65 is just this one, half of the full. So this is 65, this is Thursday, so I will mark it here. Friday it is 58 degree, so again we will reach till 50. This is 50 and 58 is reaching till here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? So I will make a circle here. This is 58. Now what we have to do, all the dots will be joined by the straight line. Okay? Please don't do it with the free hand. Always use this scale to join the line. Dots are going to be joined together. So this is all about your line graph. Okay, I hope it is completed. The first part we have to plot the axis, then we have to name the axis. This side I have mentioned the degree Fahrenheit. Then you have to use a sharp pencil, count each and every small dot as a 1 degree. Okay, so I have started from the Monday. This is 48 degree, then 56 degree. Then 60 degree, 65 degree, and then again 58 degree. Okay, clear to you? Do this work neatly. Now we are moving to the exercise questions. Now exercise 14C we have to do in copy. Given below is the line graph which shows how many money Venkat spent in the school canteen from Monday to Friday in the canteen certain week. So it is already mentioned here. Graph is given, we have to read the graph and we have to give the answer. So this process is called data interpretation. We are seeing the graph and interpreting the answer. So on which day Venkat spent the maximum money? If you will see all the graphs, it is the maximum is 70 here, highest peak you can see. So on which date? It is Tuesday. On which day Venkat spent least amount? You can see the least amount is this one, the lowest peak, that is 20 on Wednesday. On which day Venkat spent rupees 50? So this is the 50 and 50 is coming here. This point you can see this is Thursday. How much money, more money Venkat spent on Tuesday and then Friday? Tuesday is spent 70 rupees and Friday is spent 60 rupees. So 70 minus 60 it is 10 rupees. How much amount of money did Venkat spend during the whole week? You have to add all the points and you will get the answer. So it is 30 plus 70 plus 20 plus this is 50 and this is 60. So total amount is 230 rupees. Clear? Give a title to this line graph. So I have given the title here. That I left the portion that you have to do by your own. It's not compulsory, all will write the same title. You can make your own imagination and make your own title. Okay, I explained you how to make a title. Read this story and give the title. Now we are moving to the second question. Barnab's mother prepared a progress report of his performance in math subject over 5 months with the help of line graph. Now we are moving to the questions. What was his score in the month of October? This is October, I am moving here, this is 35 out of 40. In which month did he perform the best? The best performance is 40 out of 40 in maths and the month is November. In which month did he score 25 marks? 25 is here. Okay, so 25 is coming in September month. In which 2 months was his performance consistent? It is July and August. This is clear to you? Now, we are moving to the chapter revision question. This picture is given here. You have to see both the pictures and interpret the answer. This question I have given as a homework, and this question I have explained in my PDF. Complete all the work. Again I am repeating, while making the line graph, please use the sharp pencil. Okay, all the best.